people, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have you once again here. Yes, today I have a wonderful topic that I'm going to share with my beloved and great and amazing people. I believe this wonderful message, this wonderful program is going to do a great impact in your life. God bless you. Come on, join me as we go into this program. Hey, my people, now welcome to this wonderful program. Today we get this special program for special people like Una. And if not today be the first time when you see me, my name is Minister Justina Godwin. If you don't subscribe, God bless you. If you never first subscribe to this wonderful blessed platform, this channel, I beg, make you just touch that red button where they down there where they write subscribe. Put make you subscribe for your sister. God will bless you as you do that in Jesus' name. Amen. So my people, you know, say God will go do it things time and season. God don't talk and say He way, not be our way. Now I make and say this time. Now God come to say, my daughter, you need to go drop this message for my people. Because God loves us so much, He wants say everything what we they do, may we they bless, make good things they come out from inside. You know what? May we they labor, we can't they labor in vain. That one, God come to say, since this thing, now me show you, He help other people. May you still carry this matter, go show my children. May you share that with them so that they will do something this time, so that they will still bless. We all know say now December period we did this time with this message they come out now December. Night I take bring and come out, but don't take away God, don't bring this message. Oh, but today God can send me say, oh yeah, this message go give my people. May therefore know say there is time and season for everything. Yes, so my people, now see and say God, this our God. Now God will know everything from the beginning to the end. This message where I bring come today be say the topic be say why I not they bless if I do good things. Why I not they receive blessing for the good things where I they do. You understand me? So this message, many people don't ask me, say, why be say if they do good things, at the end they give to people, they give to church, they give to orphanage, they give to, they bless other people in different area. Say, why be say they not come they receive blessing? They say not be this promise God talk. And after they say yes, not be so God talk. God talk say any person where He give help to the person where need help, He say He word to bless the person. That anything where that person do, go for. If that person must go front, if that person not fit go back, lie to lie. Now come to say yes, now so God talk am. Now come to say come on, you know say you know me say somebody they do something for 100 years, if they do wrong, no me say that thing where they do say na correct thing they do. Somebody fit come do the right thing for 2 hours, the person go see good results. The person where they do it for 100 years, you know they do it well, results no go come out. Then they come to say that one na true. Now what they say, okay, we no need to talk because now God now bring tell us say maybe we dey help people. So when we want to ask question, we still need answer. We still need to go meet the same God who made the same God still give us answer, yes or not. We come to say nah yes. You know say God now, He not the cause confusion, He not be author of confusion. He not God where they do your thing in a rightful way. Now God come to say, my people, you know say anything where I talk, I dey always get proof. I will prove and say, na so I talk am, na so it's supposed to be. I will say yes. So now God can't take me. He can't take me to the book of Matthew. He can't tell me say this one I they cause some way be say some people will can't give out. They'll can't say they sow seed. They'll can't say they help the poor. They can't say they help those people where be say they not get food to eat, where not get papa, where not get mama. Even people where be say they get, where be say that they sick. When they can't help, even when we will still help our family, help our papa, our mama, our brothers, they come to say this place come to say the reason why we say we not they get blessing from all those things. The answer say it dey here. And I say God, I thank you because I know say you know everything. Even before this question come, you don't already know the answer, and now you can't show me. You can't say yes. Come say my pikin, may I go to the book of Matthew 6. Come say may I start from verse 1. Say may I read down. My people, make una patient with me. Oh, I go read down according to how they take right hand here. Then I will come talk am for our general Africa language. Okay. So he come talk for the book of Matthew 6 verse 1. Say, be careful not to practice your righteousness in front of others, to be seen by them. If you do, you will have no reward from your Father in heaven. He can tell us, say, the reason why be say people know they bless, where they know they bless, where they know they get good thing for the good things where they do. Where be say they take money come out for their pocket. The money supposed to be, it will come back again because God, now God of increase, or in the increase his people. He said because when we want to do the thing, when we want to do that good, the way we will take the do am, with the do am say make people for see us. When people for see us say we want to do the thing, with the do am say make people for they praise us, make they praise us. When I mean say pray, they go they hail us, say hey, mama, oga, all those kind name. It also say once the people don't they praise us for the good things what we do, without they our shoulder don't they come up like this. Pride don't enter. We all know say God say no, he not like pride at all. He hates pride. So once pride don't enter now it be say we don't they take God glory. So God come they advise us for here say may we dey careful when we want to do good thing. Because if we not careful, say the good things what we do, we will be say we're supposed to even receive reward. We be say God supposed to bless us in return. Say we not can receive that blessing because we do am as high service. He can dey advise us here say as may we not they do good things like high service. Wetin I mean say make you people for notice me, make I call am notice me. He say make we not they do things like notice me. We want help people, we want make everybody see us. We not go do am. We want maybe say we'll fair draw attention of people. We'll fair like make everybody come put their eyes for our body, make them know say now we they do that kind of thing. He can talk say if na the mind and what it is our mind where we take they do good things be that one. He say blessing not go fit come from heaven. We not fit come receive that blessing where God already promised people where he do good thing. You understand me? He don't promise. He promise not they change. But now the way where we take do the thing, now he go motivate that blessed dog, make it open, we can receive that thing. He say if now the thing where they our mind, where we take they do and say make people for they see us, we want do and make everybody for recognize or make them for come they hail us, make them for come they praise us, make we come they see ourselves, say we be God for those people life. He tell say blessing, that blessing we suppose we don't promise us say if we do good things say we will follow, say that blessing not will take place. Make us not forget to God not they look our appearance, wetin God they look say na inside our mind. So he can advise us here say for this Matthew 1 for this Matthew 6 verse 1 say make we dey careful, make anything we want do we concerning giving, make we be careful. Say make we search, make we look inside our mind why we want do am. We want do am because those people need those things. We want do am to help them, or we want do am make people for the see us, make them for the hail us, make them for the give us. Say, hey, mama, you too much. Hey, oh God, now you, make them come they praise us. He say if na that one, or make all those people where we do am for, make them come they worship us. He say blessing not they come from those areas. He can continue. He not stop for there. He can tell say my daughter make you still read. He can say may I read too. I can say, okay, Papa, I will read down. Because say, so when you give to the need, do not announce it with trumpets, as the hypocrites do in the synagogues and on the streets, to be honored by others. Truly, I tell you, they have received their reward in full. He can talk, say, my daughter, this one, he talk, say, when we want to do good to people, may we know the announce am. For example, now if I want give you something, make I not call everybody, make I not call the announce am, come the show am. Say because say I want everybody see am, I come the broadcast the thing, I come carry my WhatsApp phone, I come the call people. He say this kind of thing. He say no, he say na people wey dey inside world, now they do something like that. He told say person wey dey Christ, they do something like Christ. That Christ means say Christ like, our character will still be like Christ, or it will still be like our Papa God who. He talk say we don't know God, we be say he dey inside him, we be say he said dey inside us. He say not be so we supposed to dey do something, make our own way dey different. He dey tell us here say people wey dey do things like that, all those people they just dey do their self. They no fit trick God, because God na inside mind in dey look, dey look body. He talk say people wey dey do things like that na people wey never know how to talk. They no even get the spirit, they no get the body for inside their whole body. He say but we will be say we get his spirit, we get the body for inside our body. May we not dey do our things like that. That when we want give something to a person, may we not announce am, may we not dey broadcast am, may we not dey carry telephone dey call people, may we not go dey that thing before we give am to that person. We don snap our picture, we come go post am for our Facebook, we come write under say this thing na me I wan give this person. He say that kind thing, say that kind thing no be so they take dey do am. Say make we not dey do am like that again, so that that blessing wey he don promise us, say anybody wey do good thing, wey share wetin he get with other people, wey give help to other people, he say he go reward them very very well. He go give them everything their heart desire, and their pocket, he say no go dry. He come dey advise us this thing wey God bring to us here. He dey advise us, so say this thing na dey cause am wey be say we go come dey give something, we go come tire yourself. We no wan give again, because when we give, our pocket not dey full again. He say make we not dey broadcast am. He say because we no go, the blessing no go come. E no come like that. Your blessing no go come like that. He say na God of principle. If you dey do it way, he dey arrange your thing jejeje, and the way he take dey arrange your things, we no fit come change am. Now we need to change our way, make it suit those things. Not be that thing come change to suit us. You understand me? My people, una do well. When I still take patience in the listening, oh, I bless una, and God will really bless una. He come still talk, say make I read number 3, oh, my people. We still there for this the same matter. Wey me say this topic, wey say why I not dey receive blessing for the good things where I dey do, or when I give, when I support person, when I help somebody, why I not dey receive blessing. God talk and say blessed day, but me I know dey receive. Why? So he come to say, may I go to chapter 3, verse 3 of Matthew 6, verse 3. Now we dey now. So I will still read down, my people. Make una beg, I dey beg una, make una patient with me. You know, say wetin good na small step that they take, no go rush am. Till he come to say, but when you give to the needy, do not let your left hand know what your right hand is doing. God come to say how to do this thing. Be say when you want give help to anybody, or when you want sow seed, or when you want do, he say make you not let another person know. You understand me? He say make you not let another person know. He say make you keep that thing between you and that person and him. 3 of una na dey inside that matter. He say make you not let other people know, say see wetin I want give, or see wetin I want give, or see wetin I dey do, or you know say na me dey pay this person rent, you know say na me dey sponsor these people. He say all those things. He say make we not dey talk am. He say make we not dey let people know, because the more wey we don dey talk am, my sister, may I tell you the truth, why God still dey advise us, well, make we not dey talk am. Or you know say this our God, he love us too much. This our God, he na father of love. He all love, na excess love. Wetin make him come dey talk say make we not dey tell people, be say sometimes when you tell person, they fit still change that matter. You understand me? Confusion will come. Once confusion don come, somebody wey you want help, you come dey talk say he no like the way you take the answer dey go, because say you dey help am. My sister, make we dey talk true to everybody. Na human being, na blood. If you don dey vex for the good things wey you dey do, you know say blessing no go come out again. Na true, abi na lie? Na true. You understand me? So God come dey advise us, say make we no dey do that kind thing again, because those kind thing, e dey hinder those blessings wey we supposed to receive. E dey make people dey come dey bring confusion. E dey even come dey make the person wey we want help sef no come even value the help wey we give am, because we don already dey broadcast am dey go. We don dey tell everybody, we don dey announce am. God come talk say make we no dey do am again. As his children, make we not dey do am again. If you want help people, make it be say that help na between we wey wan do am, the person we wan give am to, and God our Father wey dey for heaven. He say na only three of us go dey inside this agreement, make we not bring another person come join am. Say if we bring another person come join am by announcing it, telling everybody, carry phone dey share am, post am as I say before, he say that kind thing e no dey inside. If we put that thing join the good things wey we dey do, he say that thing go come hinder the blessing. He dey tell us here, oh God dey advise us, oh, dey tell us the things wey be say e dey hinder blessing, wey be say he don already promise us, wey he don already give to us. He don give us this blessing. God no be say he go give us, he don already make the blessing, don package the package, he dey there, don already. All wetin we need, once we do the right thing, the thing go just na automatic, e go take place for our life. So he come dey advise us say, in a God of principle, the way we take dey arrange the things different for our way. Say all these kind small things, na it dey cause am wey be say me and you we no dey receive the blessing if we no do am right, we no do am good. So he come talk say make I read the verse 4 in conclusion for this wonderful message. Oh, make you listen. Oh, thank you once again for your patience. Oh, wey take dey here with me. Verse 4 come talk say, so that your giving may be seen in secret, then your Father who sees what is done in secret will reward you. You understand me? He come talk say God, this our God, na make me first tell you for the beginning, say God na inside heart in the look, oh, because all the secret of men, na inside here dey. E no dey inside our wardrobe, e no dey inside our luggage, e no dey inside our bag. All my secret dey inside my heart, all your own dey inside your heart. Do you understand me? So, and only this God, oh, na dey see wetin dey inside secret. Na still talk and say, in way they see wetin the people they do for secret, make you say they do your own good thing for secret. Make you the thing they where the secret they inside your mind. In they tell us here, say if we want do good thing, if we want help people, if we want sow seed, if we want support the body of Christ, we want support we want help the less privileged, we want help the society where we dey. He say make that thing, make it dey inside our secret boss, inside our mind. May we know they talk am out, even when we never even do am. We don't they broadcast am, we don't they talk am. He say no, may we not they talk am like that. May we not they do am like that. You understand me? He say may we not they do am like that. Say that kind of thing, say no good. Say may we not they do am like that again. You see, all these things where God they give us, what would they talk for years since? Say, and some people don't ask me, oh, my people, my wonderful people, my lovely people, come to say, Deaconess or Minister Justina Godwin, why be say you can't share this message this time with us? Naomi, I come to say, you know, say this message not be me get am, and this work where they do not be me call myself. Now Papa God, now call me. As I talk for the beginning, God they do your things for time and season. Now the season where God still talk, say make me bring this message come be this. Why? Say now Christmas time, now we dey, so you know, say we dey give, we dey buy, we dey help people around us, we just dey help people. He can say make I bring this word, remember I advise my people, say may we remember say January go come. Say if we want give, may we give with a good heart. May we not give people, may we not help people based say we want make those people come they worship us, so may they come be saved, may they for no say now we too good pass for our village. Oh, may we not help people because we want make the village I come they worship our parents, so may they lie down for ground, may they worship us because say we get past them. Oh. He say no, he say he wants say anybody will give anything out for this December, take help people. He want to make it be say January their pockets, he go they full like this. Anything where they put their hand, that God blessing go come. Any good thing where they put their hand, say they want to do their business, their work, everything. Say everything go they bring good things they come out. So he can talk say now making come advice also. Say as we want give this December, may we give with a heart of gratitude to God. May we give anything where we will feel give to people with the heart, not because say we want make they recognize or make they come know us. We want give not because say we want show ourselves. We want give not because say we want make people come they worship us. We want give so that we want give because we know say God already bless us. The reason why God bless us because He wants us may we still bless other people. So that if we give with that heart, God say our 2021 na so blessing go dey follow us. Any good thing wey we put our hand, e go dey bring money. E dey tell us say so that the pocket wey we for bring those money come out, when we take help people for this December, that pocket, so that from January 1st, that pocket go dey increase. That pocket no fit go down again. So God want us say, may we use sense, may we use wisdom, may we think well when we want give something out, may we do am for secret too. May we not broadcast am, may we not come dey make people wey we dey help dey feel shame. May we not come be like say through our help we come dey bring some people down, wey dem come see them and say, no be that person, not na so person dey help them na. Una know us na, all of us na one. Many of us dey talk wetin dem no ask us make we talk. You know say when you help somebody, maybe the person come stand for public, another person come dey talk say, abeg, I know person wey help you, no be this person help you that day wey you no fit pay your house rent. So wetin you come dey talk here now, wey we dey talk, make you no dey talk all those kind thing. Na God no wan make e dey happen. Na make am God come talk say make we dey do our thing for secret, so that God hand go be upon those things, so that pride no go still enter. You know, all know say God no like pride. But I mean say pride be say if you want come dey show yourself, come dey raise your shoulder like this, say na you be the okonga, na you be the king, na you be God for those people life. God say no like that kind of thing. My people, I appreciate all of you now. As I talked before, my name na Minister Justina Godwin. God dey bless me, and I thank God for also blessing you. Now that blessing wey God give me, now I can share with you today. If you never hit that red button where they write subscribe, put my brother, my sister, make you support me now. You understand me? Make you support me, so that I go dey bring more. As God they use me, I go just dey follow up, because once you just subscribe, you dey expect something good from that channel. And God is faithful. God wey just start He work for that my YouTube channel. He will never forsake me. He will surely finish it. Thank you once again. God bless you, my beautiful people. I'm so excited. Thank you for your patience and everything. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being patient with me on this wonderful program today. Remain blessed till we meet again. Thank you.